Good morning, fam. If you woke up stiff, low on energy, or already carrying yesterday into today, this flow is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, you'll release tension, breathe deeper, and feel lighter without pushing hard. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose, knees wide, toes together, arms stretched long. Melt your chest down. Feel that deep exhale. That's a signal your body's been craving. Now slowly ripple forward into cobra. Hips to mat, press into your palms, and gently lift your chest. This isn't just a spinal stretch, it's a full body wake-up call. I promise this will energize your nervous system without jarring your body. Flow between these two slowly, syncing your breath with each movement. Did you know Cobra helps reset your body's natural curve and reduce lower back pain? Hold your Cobra just 5 more seconds. Can you lift your heart a little higher? Not feeling the stretch yet? Shift your hands slightly forward or widen your stance. That just opened your spine, and now let's unlock your hips. Come to a seated position with knees bent and feet wider than hips. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to center and alternate. This movement reveals hidden tension, especially if you've been sitting a lot. I promise opening up this rotation will reduce stiffness in your lower back and improve your squat, walk, and even sleep. Beginners, keep your hands behind you for support. Advanced stretchers, sit taller and use no hands. Your hips house more nerve endings than you think. This move calms and stimulates them at the same time. Drop the knee to one side and pause for 5, 4, 3. Do you feel uneven between sides? That imbalance is exactly what you're correcting. That just shook off yesterday's tension. Now let's realign your posture. Lie on your belly and prop yourself up on your forearms. Elbows under shoulders, chest open, and gaze soft. This gentle extension targets your lower back, your breath, and your mood, all at once. I promise this stretch can relieve deep-seated tightness in your lumbar spine. Beginners, keep feet hip width and relax the glutes. Advanced stretches, engage the core to protect your spine as you lift the heart higher. Even 30 seconds in Sphinx can boost circulation to your spine and reduce inflammation. Now hold steady and breathe deeper for 5 more seconds. Still feel stiff? Try drawing your shoulders down and away from your ears. That just grounded your core. Now we go deeper into your hips. Come into a deep squat with your feet slightly turned out and your elbows pressing into your knees. Hands in prayer or fingertips on the floor. Sink into the stretch, keeping your chest lifted. This position taps into your primal mobility because we weren't built to sit in chairs all day. I promise doing this daily will transform how your hips, knees, and ankles move. Beginners, place a block or pillow under your butt for support. Advanced stretches, rock gently side to side to deepen the stretch. The frog squat is one of the oldest and most effective hip openers in the world, used across cultures for centuries. Can you hold this for 5 seconds with your heels closer to the ground? Are your heels lifting? Widen your stance and relax into it. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's finish with your full back chain. Press up into downward dog, hips high, heels heavy, chest pressing towards your thighs. Paddle your feet, wiggle the hips, let it open. This is the reset your legs and spine didn't know they needed, but won't forget once it's done. I promise you'll stand taller and breathe easier after just 30 seconds here. Beginners, keep a soft bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs and push the floor away harder. Downward dog decompresses your entire spine and stretches over 30 major muscles at once. Last 5 seconds, press your heels down just a little more. Feel that length? Sit still tight in the hamstrings. Bend your knees more. Focus on the spine. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.